Okay, I thought I had this out here, and I did, so I can show you this now. So let's tilt the camera so you can see. So this is like a little teapot heater, and this holds a little candle, and so you can slide the candle right in there. And this one goes in here, and then your teapot sits on top. Let me see if I have a teapot out here. I don't think I have a teapot out here. Let's just put this on top. So I'm just using a big mug, one of the larger mugs, to illustrate this. But that's so you have a little candle in this gizmo in here. This. And you put it in here. So this is almost like a little camp stove. It's very cute. And I glazed these with copper float because it just seemed appropriate. So here's the opening, and here's some little things to hold the teapot off of the far enough away from the flame that it isn't dangerous. Here's a tiny little spoon, and I made this just for kicks. And I put a hook at the end so I could sort of maybe hook it over the edge of something. I don't know how I'm going to use this or what it's going to be for, but when I figure that out, I'll let you know. Okay, here's the other heater. This is the other tea heater, one of the other tea heaters. So this was a different style, and you can put a candle in there either inside one of these little pans like this, or you can just stick a candle in it. So, and then I'm not sure what I did with the top part of it. It was in the previous fire. So I'm gonna lay that down so I don't have a problem with it. Now this one just sits on the table. It just sits like that. Then we have this guy underneath it. I think this is the one. There's two of them, and yeah, this one goes to this one, I think. This one might fit better. We'll see. Oh yeah, I think this is the one that goes with it. So this one fits better. And this has just a built-in, not a separate, kind of a heater thing to put your teapot on. So there's that. We'll do some looking at the teapots on it when we get a teapot going. It is 100% humidity, I think, and it's only about 85 degrees in the garage here, but it is very hot. There's another little sponge holder. These are great for just a little bit of clay that you have left on the wheel, and something that will fill up some space in your... This is a do-over. This was the one that came out of the last fire, and I didn't like it too well, the color. So this color looks way better. And I think I have another do-over here. Do-over. Okay. So this one is a do-over as well. This one, I think this one was mostly pink or something. And I just didn't like it. It just didn't look good. It didn't suit me, so I just did it over. And here's another thing for a friend's bowl. Now this one, since it's sea salt, could probably clunk. Let's move that. And well, I only have one hand free, so let me put that over there. Stay right there. And move this out to where I can put this on it. So we've got a nice little profile there. Yeah, see, that matches. And I like that. I like that. So that sea salt on both outsides and sea mist on the blue insides. Yeah, that looks good. I do like that. Okay, so let's go see what else is in there. Get it empty, ready for the next deal. And this could also be used with a friend's bowl. So I just made 2 or 3 rings, three or 4 maybe, to use with these. And whichever one you like best is the one you should use. These are do-overs. These had Chino cream somewhere on the outside because it broke through this glaze. And I have quite a bit of Chino cream drizzled on the inside there. Probably it used to be on the rim when I first did this, when I put the glaze on it. And this one, this one is the other one that goes with it. And surprisingly, the insides look pretty good together. So that's a little 2-bowl set. That looks pretty good. Okay, let me get that out of the way. There's a real pretty bowl right over there by itself. And we don't want to leave it in there lonesome. Oh yeah, this is one of the other ones. Beautiful. Just beautiful. Okay, so we didn't have as many things in this one. Just kind of the leftovers from the other one and that beautiful tall vase, which I am so thrilled with. So thank you for watching. I'm gonna go in and look at that large vase some more. I just love this. I like that with the white inside. I'm now out of white, so I'm gonna have to find some place that's got some supplies. Okay, well, let's go in the house where it's cool. One nice thing about the Friends Bowl is that you can deck them, like you can build them up. See how that works. You could put something in the top and have something else in the surrounding bowl. So, okay, let's go in the house where it's cool. I promised I'd show you these little teapot heaters. And so I'm going to light that little candle. Now, these are just teapots that I've had around the house that I've kept for my own use because I like them. And so this is the one heater that I have that I've just put a little tea light in here. So here's one of those little tea light. Everybody, you know, they sell them by the bag full during Christmas season and other times at some of the box stores. But this is the one that I think I've showed you this one when I was unloading the kiln. So there's that one. Now this one is a little shorter than the other ones, and I felt like the flame might be too close. So this flat kind of a coaster looking thing, I made that to go on it. And so there's plenty of air that's gonna come out right in this area. So I didn't feel like I needed holes in that to make it work safely. So this one, let's see if you can see me. Okay, this one over here, I did put holes in the grill. The tea light is inside, and it's got a little opening like that. Now it could be, you could use one of these little candle things to go inside here to use with that, and put that on top of it, and then put your teapot there. I don't like the way this thing fits, and on some of the, for example, on this teapot, I'll put that on there just to show you. The handle comes down and sort of touches the edge of this, and I don't like that. I'd rather it was free away from it so that it wasn't. So next time, or probably in order to use this, I will make a new grill. I don't like the way that came out, so I'm just gonna get replaced. So I could put something like this on it, but it doesn't have any vent holes. I think it's important to have vent holes to prevent overheating. You don't want to crack the bottom of a teapot that you love. So let me blow this out. Okay, and I'm going to set that over there and pull this other one closer to the camera view so you can see that. So this one is just made with a cutout here, as you can see. Let's see. It looks like that. And so it sits on a cookie, basically, with just a tiny little rim on it. Okay. So the grill on this one is built in, and then you can use a teapot that's got a handle that has a little bit of a nub right there, and that'll just work perfectly on there. I think I like this one best just because of its simplicity. And this is larger, so I can have this one lit when I stick it in there, and I can put it in the middle, and I can still grab that little handle. So out of all of them, and because it has fewer pieces, well, no, it doesn't, because this is 1, 2 pieces. This is 1, 2, and 3. If you count the candle, these have 3. 1, 2. Well, I guess blows that theory, doesn't it? But I do like this because it comes apart. This one to me seemed simpler, and this one would probably be easier to clean because of this part coming apart rather than the top part coming apart. This is so cute with these little heaters lit up with tea lights in them. And I did find something to do with this little spoon. This is my chaga tea in here, and I made this spoon with a little sort of a hook on the end, so whoops, so it hangs just perfectly on the space there. The little jar actually came with a spoon that goes like that, a little wooden spoon. It's not very useful because the tea sticks to it, but this is perfect. So there's that. Okay, I just wanted to show you how those work. Was I standing in my light? Probably. And I'll see if I can fix that in the editing, and if not, I'll just record this again. Okay, thanks, love ya, bye.